Ever wonder how some dropshippers find viral hits before everyone else? Today I'm revealing the exact framework for finding winning products that scale. A winning product needs three things. It solves a problem, has a wow factor, and offers healthy profit margins for your business. We will break this down into 5 actionable steps: social mining, competitor analysis, market validation, sourcing, and finally, the MVP testing strategy. Step 1 is social media mining. We start by diving into TikTok and Meta to see what's currently stopping the scroll for millions. Use the TikTok Creative Center and Meta ad library to find ads with high engagement and recent upload dates to spot emerging trends. Step 2. Competitor analysis. We need to see what successful stores are already scaling using advanced digital spy tools. Look closely at their pricing and unique selling propositions. What are they doing better than everyone else, and how can you improve it? Now for Step 3, market demand validation. Use Google Trends to ensure the interest isn't just a flash in the pan. Cross-reference with Amazon's movers and shakers. If it's trending there, the real-world demand is confirmed and ready for your store. Step 4 is sourcing and unit economics. Finding a reliable supplier on platforms like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping is crucial. Run the numbers. Subtract your product cost, shipping, and ad spend from your selling price to calculate your net profit margin. Finally, Step 5, the MVP testing strategy. Don't overspend early. Test with a small budget to see how the market reacts. Analyze the data. If the numbers look good, it's time to scale. If not, we pivot and test the next winner. Success in dropshipping comes down to consistency. Keep searching, keep testing, and you will find your breakthrough product. Ready to build your empire? Start your store today and use these strategies to dominate the market. See you at the top.
If you are still using outdated product research methods, you are already behind the curve. Today, I'm revealing my secret strategy. The game has changed. Luck is no longer a factor when you have access to real-time data that predicts the next big winning product before it peaks. Most dropshippers are looking in the wrong places. They follow the noise, while I follow the momentum. Lean in, because this is how you truly scale. We start with reverse engineering success. Imagine a digital neural network that tracks every successful transaction across the global e-commerce landscape in real time. By using advanced AI filters, we can isolate TikTok shop ads that are gaining massive reach but still have incredibly low competition from other sellers. The real secret is tracking ad spend velocity. This tells us exactly how fast a competitor is increasing their budget on a specific creative today. Social momentum is the heartbeat of this business. We watch for products that trigger an emotional response, causing them to go viral instantly. Use search queries like "TikTok made me buy it," but here is the trick: filter it by the last 24 hours to find rising stars. Every winning ad follows a specific structure: a powerful hook, a clear problem, a perfect solution, and an irresistible call to action for the viewer. Before scaling, we validate everything. My decision matrix ensures a 60% gross margin and a shipping potential of 3 to 7 days for sustainability. The next step is moving from a general store to a branded microstore. This is how you build a long-term asset that actually has value. By connecting the TikTok Creative Center, Facebook Library, and Google Trends, we create a research ecosystem that ensures your product is a global winner. Stop gambling with your future. Start using data-driven methods to build your empire. The secret is out. Now it is up to you to act. Master the trick. Scale the store. Your journey to a profitable 2026 starts right now. Let's make it happen together. Subscribe for more advanced strategies.
Ever wonder how some e-commerce stores find viral hits consistently? The secret isn't luck, it's intelligence. Today, I'm showing you the ultimate product research hack. We are going to steal winning products using the Meta Ads library. It's free, it's powerful, and it's the gold standard for research in 2026. Step 1. Accessing the Intelligence Center. Search for Meta Ads library and set your filters to all ads to see every active campaign globally. Focus on high-performing regions like the USA, UK, and Australia. These markets are competitive, meaning the winners here are proven moneymakers. Now use buyer intent keywords like free shipping, 50% off, or get yours now. This filters out general content and reveals active dropshipping ads. Phase 2 is the longevity filter. This is the most important step. We aren't looking for brand new ads. We're looking for survivors. Look for ads that have been running for at least 3 to 4 weeks. If an advertiser spends money for a month, that ad is profitable. Next, validate the engagement. Jump from the ads library to the actual Facebook post to see how the audience is actually reacting. Filter for the newest comments. Are people asking, where can I buy this, or are they complaining about shipping? This is your market research. Now analyze the winning angle. Is it a problem-solution video, or is it user-generated content? Understand the hook used in the first 3 seconds. Compare different ad copies for the same product. When you see the same messaging repeated across multiple ads, you've found the core selling point. Finally, source your product on Alibaba or AliExpress. But don't just copy. Create an improved version of the creative to beat the competition. Recap. Search, filter for longevity, validate engagement, analyze the creative, and launch. Have you ever wondered what separates a viral product from a total flop? Today, we go from zero to a winning market strategy. The road to success isn't built on luck. It's built on a repeatable process of research, validation, and creative execution. Phase 1 begins with market research. You aren't just looking for a product, you are looking for a solution to a problem. Identify consumer pain points. What are people complaining about? Where is the gap in the current market offerings? Explore different niches. Use light bulb moments and conceptual icons to visualize how a simple idea can fill a massive void. Once you have an idea, you must validate it. Phase 2 is all about data-driven sourcing and ensuring your product actually works. Quality control is your foundation. Inspect every sample with a magnifying glass, ensuring the craftsmanship meets the highest possible standards. Analyze validation metrics. Look at competitor pricing and engagement rates to confirm that your target audience is ready to buy. Now comes the creative strategy. A great product needs a brand that speaks to the heart of the consumer. Develop high-converting ad creatives. Capture the essence of your product through dynamic camera shoots that highlight its best features. Your online storefront is your digital home. Make it sleek, modern, and easy to navigate for every visitor. It's time to launch. Monitor your Facebook and TikTok ads manager closely as your campaigns go live to the world. Success signals will follow. Watch for sales notifications and positive customer reviews that prove your market strategy is winning. Scale your success by adjusting budgets and using retargeting metaphors to reach even more potential customers. Remember, the journey from zero to success is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and data are your best friends. Now it's your turn. Start your journey today and build the winning product you've always envisioned. Let's get to work.
Stop wasting months on trial and error with products that don't sell. Today, I am revealing the exact 2-minute method to find proven winners. Look at these dashboards. High-revenue sales aren't based on luck. They are the result of following data and seeing what is already working. Winning products are hidden in plain sight. You just need to know where to look and how to filter out the noise. First, let's head over to the Meta Ad Library. This is a gold mine for seeing exactly what your competitors are spending money on right now. Start by setting your filters to all ads and active ads. This ensures we are only looking at live campaigns that are currently running. Now, use power keywords like 50% off, free shipping, or get yours now. These keywords are common in high-converting drop shipping ads. Here is the library hack. Look for ads that have been active for more than 30 days. If they're still paying, they're definitely making profit. Next, we dive into the TikTok Creative Center. This is where you find viral trends before they hit the mainstream market. Navigate to the top ads dashboard. Filter by product sales and conversion objectives to see which videos are actually generating money. When you find a viral product video, break it down. Notice the hook in the first 3 seconds. That is what stops the scroll. The middle part is the value proposition. It shows exactly how the product solves a problem or satisfies a high passion interest for the customer. Finally, look at the call to action. A strong CTA tells the user exactly what to do next to get the deal. Now, let's validate with math. You must compare the sourcing price on sites like AliExpress with the competitor's selling price. The formula is simple. Selling price minus the sum of product cost, shipping, and ad spend equals your net profit. In the current market, problem-solving products usually win because they have a clear utility that people are willing to pay for immediately. When you find a winner, use a 70/20, 10 budget split. 70% for proven ads, 20% for testing new creatives, and 10% for scaling. Make this a habit. Bookmark the ad library and check it weekly to stay ahead of the curve and catch new trends early. Follow these steps consistently and you will build a data-driven business. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce hacks. Let's get to work!